Judge Engoron's audacious strategy in the Trump fraud case revealed. Before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Judge Arthur Engoron, who is presiding over the fraud case against Donald Trump, has strategically crafted his ruling to block any possible basis for a successful appeal, legal experts say. Greg Germann, a professor at Syracuse Law School, said Judge Engoron made decisions by highlighting examples of Trump's conduct that were consistent with elements of fraud, even in cases that were initially deemed to lack merit. He explained that he is thinking of strengthening it. We hope that Judge Engoron will select testimony from the trial that supports elements of fraud, but the evidence that the victims reasonably relied on former President Trump's financial statements is very thin, said Professor Germain. From the beginning, Judge Engoron indicated that he would not give Trump any chance of a successful appeal. This strategic approach was evident in September when he granted partial summary judgment in favor of New York Attorney General Letitia James. The judgment alleges that Trump, along with Trump Organization executives, committed fraud to inflate the value of assets in order to obtain favorable terms from lenders and insurance companies. As the trial approaches its conclusion on January 11, Judge Engoron emphasized his determination to issue a verdict by January 31. However, due to delays, the scheduled sentencing was postponed until early next week. The delay only heightens expectations about the potential fallout for Trump, who faces allegations ranging from falsifying business records to insurance fraud and conspiracy charges. The crux of the trial is determining the amount of damages Trump must pay. James is seeking restitution of $370 million in profits he made from the alleged fraud. Legal scholars, including Professor Germain, speculate that Engoron is likely to impose harsher penalties on Trump in his final judgment. Germain also outlined the challenges Trump will face in the appellate courts, arguing that the New York Attorney General does not have the authority to punish Trump without proving all the traditional elements of wrongdoing. These factors include intent to defraud, misrepresentation of fact, reasonable expectations of the victim, materiality, causation, and damages. I think there is a strong case that if the Attorney General wants to punish past use rather than prevent future use, she needs to prove all the traditional elements of fraud. Germain explained. However, Letitia James's legal team is prepared to refute this argument, pointing to New York Executive Order 63.12, which gives the Attorney General the power to prosecute misconduct without requiring proof of all 6 elements. Judge Engoron had previously ruled in summary judgment that the Attorney General was not required to prove any of these elements under Section 63.12. The trial was not without drama, as there were frequent clashes between former President Trump and Judge Engoron. The judge sentenced Trump to 2 fines for violating the gag order and also criticized him for making a speech on the witness stand. Tensions reached a fever pitch during his testimony when former President Trump accused Engoron of allying with Democrats to undermine him ahead of the 2024 presidential election. Thanks for watching till the end. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.